Ayi Desire kanti uthanda ukwenza kanje. Why every tournament kumele sikhale ngawe, sikhalile ku-World Cup then sathula. Jiki AFCON sibuyile, first game everything goes perfect, then you decide to change it up. Second game unyatsile Tanzania, uyinyatsile 5 changes, and the biggest of them all was the goalkeeper situation again. Siyakhala futhi. Why uDlamini engadlala amagame? Kellen Sol played the whole World Cup. Give uDlamini AFCON. Come on Desire. Desire uyathanda ukusidivide singama fans. Man, get your things together, man. Get your shit back.